Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Are you happy today?
I'm happy.
Don't worry too much about your memorizing. Just focus to me and don't see anything in your phone. Even I know anything else in your phone is more important than me, right? Whoever feels like your wallet is empty for faster? Any one of you?
Yeah, me.
Okay. And guys, have you ever feel confused because your finance is always down and for sometimes your saving is run out? I think it's because we haven't to try to manage our finance properly. So guys, in this session, I will to tell you to explain how to manage our financial in a young age, and I will give you some trick or tips for manage financial can help us to achieve financial goals and make it easier to determine financial goals, plans, and build a strong foundation for our futures. Okay, I will give you some trick or tips how to manage our finance. The first is create budget. If you wanna have a good financial in your future and you wanna have a good saving, you need to create your budget. You can start from the record your monthly income and allocate for your various expense. Maybe it's for your transportation, rent house, for vacation, or another. And the second is avoid having consumptive debt. We just focus on priority expense and avoid using credit cards to buy unnecessary things. As we know, some people can maybe borrow money from her friends just for free, just for maybe just to buy something just because we don't need it, just want it. But if you have a credit card, you just use your credit card for important needed. Okay, number 3, save and invest early. Anyone, do you have invest now?
No. Yeah.
No? Okay, just one. Okay. You can set long and short-term saving goals. Learn about investing and start with a small amount, then gradually increase in consistency. Number 4, emergency fund planning. Anyone know about that? No? Yeah, maybe you can saving your money for emergency fund, for maybe illness, accidents, or for maybe miss saving money for her children, or maybe you guys the man suddenly married, so you need emergency fund, right? We don't know about jodoh. Okay, I have a rules to have an emergency fund. It's like you can times 3 times your living expenses. For example, maybe your expenses is 3 million. You can times 3, and it's your emergency fund for maybe for 6 months or more of that. Have you did it before? No? Okay, let's do that. Number 5, guys, set your financial goals. And you can define your long-term management goals too. Maybe you wanna buy a house, land, or maybe you need to prepare your retirement. Next, guys, this is the last step from me. You can avoid for lifestyle inflation. Don't buy unnecessary things just for free. Focus for your saving rather than you spending money for a lifestyle not important of you just buy something for FOMO. You know that maybe for this era we can see another people buy like Labubu. Just I think it's not, yeah, they don't need it. They just want it. You can managing financial involves not only saving but also maintaining discipline and good habits. The principle times is money emphasizes that the earlier you start, the greater your chance of achieving financial freedom. Avoid lifestyle inflation and focus for your priority and make informed decision to secure your financial future. Please remember what I said now. Managing your finance like you maintain your relationship is loyal, consistent, patient, and the others. You have to prepare, you have to manage your money, your financial. So if someone asks you like why you haven't tried the trend food, you just say like, sorry, I am investment for my future, like that. Okay guys, remember it. I think that's all about how to manage our financial. Now we are in a question decision. I give you three questions. Go ahead, ask anything. I'll try my best and give you my effort. Yeah.
Based on slide about save and investment, could you give me recommendation about save and investment in long and short term? Because we know many kinds of investment. So can you
You just ask like I want to give you the recommendation about the investment short or long, right?
short?
Yeah, short and long.
Yeah.
Is all? That's all? Okay, thank you, Miss Isna. And the other, Mr. Steven?
Could you tell us how to share tips if the situation is you are a sandwich generation? How to manage?
Oh, okay. It's like how to manage financial for sandwich generation, right? Okay, thank you for your question, Mr. Steven. Anything else? Wait, one more, guys. Okay, Mr. Farid.
How we make report for our
Like, tell you how to record our expenses before, right? Okay. Okay. Thank you for your question, guys. Please give me a minute. I will prepare it. Maybe for Mr. Steven, how to manage our financial for sandwich generation. From my opinion, you can prepare for your future. We divide our finance. We can make maybe a list. What's the important needed? As sandwich generation, we know she or he need to fulfill everything in her family, right? So you just learn how to economical and just buy anything is prime needed. Okay, thank you. And for Mr. Fahri questions, how to record our expenses. Mr. Fahri, you can use your notes or maybe your phone. You can record your monthly expenses. And if you use credit card, you can mount your expenses, and you can write all of your expenses. Maybe it's from a little, or maybe you can write whole semuanya. Yeah. So if you did it, I make sure you know how much your expenses for a month. Anything else question, Mr. Fahri?
Thank you for your answer.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Fahri.
Sure.
The recommendation for investment. For a short time, maybe Mr. Stephen said, maybe we can have a dollar, right? And for a long time, you can search, I think, too many investment application, right? But you need to search where is the good application, so you don't have a rugi-rugi like that. Yeah, yeah. And maybe you can buy a gold, right? If you want to save the physicals of gold, you can buy from application. Maybe from my recommendation is Pawnshop application. Yeah, I think it's safe, and you can buy maybe house. I think it's a good investment if you wanna to sell your house in the future. It's more expensive. So right? Yeah.
How about it?
Yeah, I think it's good choice, but depends you, and you need to. I said before, you need to search. How about the application? How about the obligation? It's good or not? You can search the rating. Yeah.
Company,
Yeah, the company.
types.
Yeah. I think that's all, Miss Isna. That's enough. I think that's all about my presentation about manage our financial in youth age. I hope we can do that in the future, and maybe after this class or maybe tomorrow. And for future, we have a financial freedom. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.
Have a great